Hi guys, the Googie is back. My name is Eric, my brother's name is Matt.
Today our challenge is going to be target shooting with Nerf guns. So let's start.
Who said start?
Fine, I'll start. 3. Whoops.
Okay,
Bullseye. Your turn. So, my turn. And I got 2 down. 2-0 me. 3-0. Oh, 3-1. Oh.
Is that the milk?
So right now it's 4-1. I'm beating.
Me.
Oh.
Okay, that was good.
Now it looks like I think it's about I think I have the last bullet. I think so. I'm gonna check quickly. Oh, I still got one more.
Please aim at that.
Now shoot. No.
You aim forever that time.
Okay. How many bullets do you have left?
Okay.
Right? I'll just put a couple in. I'm gonna put 3 more. Because my gun only shoots out 12 bullets. My brother's gun shoots out 15. And we still have other guns. So, it's my turn. Now you shoot.
And he missed, but I missed.
Oh my god, that was so close.
Last bullet. Right now.
And 5-1. How much more bullets do you have?
0.
Hi guys.
0. Please subscribe. Leave a
So,
like on this.
Now I won 5-1.
I know because I suck.